Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2016 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman, and if you're looking for a great truck, this is it. It has a tow package, running boards, bed liner, heated seats, and more. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. Have your blacked out grille with your chrome Ram badge in the middle, and then you have these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below, and a front sensing system and 2 tow hooks. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels with lots of tread on your tires. And then looking over to your side mirrors, you have those indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated. This also could fall under our certification. If it does, it'll be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Then looking down, you have these black tubular running boards to help you up in the front and the back seats. Okay, so looking at these front seats, you have these gray cloth seats with that pattern going down the middle. They are heated, super comfortable. Your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped and heated as well. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with media controls on the back. Then looking over at your media center, it's an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. You have your radio options here, including Sirius XM radio. Media options are here, your controls for your heated seats and steering wheel, plus your backup camera. So it shows you a clear picture of what's behind your vehicle, so you can line up a trailer, back out of a tight parking spot. And then you have all of your Uconnect apps on these pages right here, plus your climate controls, which are dual, so you can adjust the temperature on each side. And then here you have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth to make phone calls and text messages. Then down below you have your climate controls. They are dual, like I said, so you can easily adjust each side from right here. And then you have your sensing system buttons, tow haul mode, traction control, and your heated buttons there. 4-wheel drive on that side and a 115-volt on the other. Then throughout this center, you have lots of room, 2 cup holders and a 12-volt right there. Your center console has a SD card reader, 2 USB ports and an aux port, plus more space down below. So looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, garage door openers, and then controls to your power sliding rear window. Lots of nice air flow throughout this truck. So let's look at the back seat. So looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders, and there are 2 more in the floor. Then you have these split bench seating, so you have some storage underneath. This can fold out for a flat surface like that. And then you also have 2 storage compartments in the floor, so you can take those out, clean them off, and put them right back in. So it's really handy. Make your way around the side. You have your LED tail lamps, your 4x4, and your Outdoorsman badging in the back here, and then you have your rear sensing system and your tow package, along with remote start on your key fob. Then looking into your bed, you have that drop-in bed liner, so you're nice and protected back here. So overall, great truck. Love your heated seats at media center, and then everything back here with your tow package and your bed liner. So if you want to see this Ram 1500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.